Good morning students, and in this video we will be starting with the chapter percentage. And children, you must be familiar with the term percentage because every time when you get your result in the final examination you score some percentage of marks. I have got 70%, 90%, 80%, and that percentage, what does it mean? Actually, we are going to talk about that in this chapter. What is percentage? What is the meaning of percentage? So children, the term percentage, it comes from a Latin term that is called per centum, which means by the hundred, by the hundred. And the symbol to represent percentage is this. This is the symbol that you use to represent the term percentage. Now children, what does this means? Percent means per hundred or out of 100. For example, you had an exam of mathematics and you got 70 marks out of 100. So this means 70%. 70% marks you have got in your mathematics examination, 70 out of 100. If it was science examination and you have got 85%, 85 marks out of 100, 85 upon 100, then this is 85%. Matlab, that means by 100 we are calculating. Now we are not going into this conversion of fractions, decimals and percentage from one form to the other. Not going to this, but I will explain you how to solve these questions based on percentage and everything. So children, starting off, there are two rules which you need to follow. Rule number one is to convert a fraction or a decimal, multiply by 100. To convert a fraction or decimal to percentage, multiply by 100. And if you want to convert a percentage to fraction or decimal, then divide by 100. Now this alone, these two rules does not make any sense, but when we are going into the questions, then you will understand. Now starting off with question number 1, you have example 1, express the following fraction as a percentage. So you have first example as 3 upon 5. So you want to convert this into percentage, so just simply 3 upon 5 multiplied by 100. So if you want to convert 3 upon 5 into its percentage form, simply multiply. So this will be 5 12s are, this will be 5 2s are 10. So this will be 60%, and this 60%, 3 upon 5 comes out to be 60%, and this 60% means this means by 100. So 3 upon 5, when you convert into percentage, that is 60%. What does this 60% means? Where is the rest 40%? So 3 upon 5 is a fraction, children. If you subtract 1 minus 3 upon 5, you will get 5 minus 3 upon 5. This will be 2 upon 5. If you convert 2 upon 5 into percentage, then this is your 40%. So 3 upon 5 is a fraction, 2 upon 5 is a fraction, and if you add these two, they become 1. So 3 upon 5 is the 60% and 2 upon 5 is the 40%. But in this question, you have only 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5, if you want to convert into the percentage, so 60% is the 3 upon 5 is the 60% of 1 actually here. Okay, in the examination example that we're discussing, you got 75 of 100 marks. So if you convert this in percentage form, what will be the answer? 75% is the marks that you have got, and 25% you didn't score. So 75% or 75 upon 100, you are just dividing by 100. In this case, this was a fraction, so you multiplied it. Okay children, some more examples. Now in the second example, you have 7 upon 1 by 2. So this will be 15 upon 2 into 100. So this will become 15 5 is 75, 750%. Okay, so this 15 upon 2, if you convert it into percentage, you will multiply with 100. This will be 750%. So now in the third example, you have children 0.063. So you want to convert into percentage, just multiply with 100. So 0.063 will be 6.3%. So these questions, we were just converting the given fraction or the decimal into percentage form. We were not finding it a percentage related to some other number, that in the 70 marks, 70 out of 100. So 70% marks you got out of 100. That situation is different. But in this one, you are only converting these numbers into percentage. So now example 2, you have express each of the following as a decimal. So you have 77%. Okay, so you want to convert into percentage decimal form. So 77 upon 100, simple, 0.77. So you have 451% divided by 100, you will get 4.51. Now, so these are very simple. Example 3 children, it says express 18% as a fraction, first one. So you want to convert this into a fraction. So 18 upon 100, you simplify, you will get 9 upon 50. Second one you have as a decimal, 18 upon 100, 0.18. If you simplify this, this will become only. The third one you have as a ratio. So 18 upon 100 will be, you solve, simplify, 9 upon 50. So will be 9:50 will be your answer. So this percentage is converted, written as a this fraction, decimal, ratio. 5 upon 2, suppose you have a fraction. So if you want to, this is a fraction. In decimal form, this will be 2.5, and in ratio form, this will be 5:2. Now, the important thing to understand here is to find a percentage of a given number or quantity. Now, example 4, you have express 19 as a percentage of 25. So 19 as a percentage of 25 children. So 19 upon 25 into 100. And why this? Because children, here we are in the exam question 1, you got 70 marks out of 100. So that was 70%. Suppose here you have got 19 marks out of 25. So 19 upon 25, and to convert into percentage, we are multiplying it with 100. So 19 upon 25 will be 100, 25 fours, this will be 76. This will be your answer. So example 5, 9 rupees as a percentage of 45 rupees. Okay, simple. 9 upon 45 into 100. So 5 nines are 5 twos are, this will be cancelled, will be your 20%. So what does this mean? 9 rupees of 45, this 20%. This means 9 rupees is 20% of 45 rupees. That means 9 rupees is 20% and the remaining amount of 45 will be 36 rupees is the 80%. This is what percentage means, children. One easier way to understand this is suppose you have got 55 marks out of 100. So this is 55% marks that you have got. Now, another example, general example that we can look into is, I have a water bottle, and it is filled half of the bottle is filled with water. So, and the remaining half, exactly half, is empty. So how much percentage of water is in the bottle? So this whole is 1 and water is completely half filled inside the bottle. So 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So that means there is 50% water and 50% empty space in this bottle. Or another example that we can have is air. We all know air is a mixture of gases. It has 71% nitrogen, 29% or 28 point some percent oxygen, and the rest some gases like carbon dioxide and some more gases. So all these make 100% and this 100% is called air. So this percentage is some part of the whole value. It is not complete. Suppose you have 10 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 apples. And if I take 3 apples from here, so if I ask you its percentage form, so I have taken 30% apples and 70% is with you. So this is the meaning of percentage, children. Now, some more examples. Example 5, part 2, children. So here you have 49 paise as a percentage of 1.96 rupees. So first we will convert this 1.96 rupees in paisa. So this will be 196 paisas. And how? Because 1 rupee has 100 paisas. So now this will be 196. So 49 upon 196 into 100. So you will solve. You will check, is this divisible or not? 7 sevens are 49, 7 twos are 14, 7 eights are 56, 7 fours are 28, 25. So 25%. So 49 paisa is 25% of 1.96 rupees. Now children, Part 3, you have 9 millimeter as a percentage of 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters. So 9 upon 10 into 100. So this will be 90% will be your answer. Similarly, part number 6, example 2, example 5, part 6, you have 4 minute 30 seconds as a percentage of 1 hour. So you will convert this 1 hour into seconds. So this 1 hour will be how many seconds? 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. How? 60 minutes, 60 seconds. Okay, and this is also in seconds. So 4 into 60 plus 30. So this will be 240 plus 30. This will be 270 upon 3600 into 100. So this will be 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 45, 22. And on solving, you will get 7.5%. 9 3s are 27. So this will be 30 and yes, 15 and then 7.5%. Yes, this is your correct answer. So 7.5% is of 1 hour. 4 minute 30 seconds is 7.5% of 1 hour. Now, example 6. It says find the number whose 15% is 135. So what will we do? Let the number be x. So this 135 is coming when we are doing this 15% is of that number which is equal to 35. So this 15 upon 100 into x equals to 135. That is what we have done. In the previous question, we had 9 rupees as a percentage of 45 rupees and we were finding out the percentage. So what we were doing? We were doing 9 upon 45 into 100 and we were getting the percentage, our result percentage. But here we have the percentage already. So on rearranging this, you have the percentage upon 100 percentage upon 100 into 45 equal to 9, and 9's percentage, 9 was the number you found out the percent which the answer came. So in this question, I'm rubbing this, what we are trying to find, we already know the 15% of this number x is 135. So x equals to 135 into 100 upon 15. So 15 14 size 135. So this will be, your answer will be 15 into 15 9s is 135. So 9 into 100 will be 900. So your required number was 900. 900, if you find a percentage, 15% of 900, that will be your 135. So your answer comes out to be 900. Similarly, you have this question, increase 80%, 80 rupees by 8%. Firstly, find the 8% of 80. So 80 into 8 upon 100. Find the 8% of 80. So this will be 64 upon 10. So this will become 6.4. And so 8% of 80 is 6.4. And we want to increase, so simply add 80 plus 6.4. You will get your answer, 86.4 rupees. This is one method by which you can do. And in the textbook, you have your ratio method as the proportion method. And what have they done is, they have expressed this in the form of proportion, and they have done 100 is to 108 is to 8 ratio is to n. So this n will be equal to 108 into 80 upon 100. So your answer will be 86.4. You can do any of the following method. You can do this one, you can do this one. 100 is to 108 means we are trying to find out the increase in 80 rupees by 8%. So I think this method is more easier as compared to this one. Other example that we have is example 8. Decrease 240 rupees by 20%. So find the 20% of 240. 240 into 20 upon 100. So this will be 48 rupees. So 240 minus 48 will be 192 rupees, and this will be your answer, children. 192. 240 minus 48. Exercise 9A, children. This is a very small chapter, so we will be doing the exercise in this one only. Express the following as percent. So 9 upon 100. You want to convert this as percent, this fraction into percentage. So 9 upon 100 will be 9%. 14 upon 100 will be 14%. 37 upon 100 will be 37%, and so on. Question number 2, children. Express the following as a fraction in its lowest term. So 40%, this is already in percentage. So what will you do? 40 upon 100. So this will be 2 by 5. Your answer will be 2 upon 5. Other one you have is 125%, third part. So 125 will be equal to 125 upon 100. So solve them. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. So 5 upon 4 is your answer. Children is 62.5%. So 62.5 upon 100. Remove this decimal. This will be 625 upon 1000, and on simplifying you will get 5 upon 8. You can simplify, not very difficult, very easy. Now question number 3. Convert the following into decimal fractions. So you have 43% and you want to convert into as decimal fractions. So 43%. So 43 divided by 100. So this will be 0.43. Next one you have 7%. Okay, 7 upon 100 will be 0.07. Another one you have 5.74%. So this will be 5.74 upon 100. So this will be 0.0574 will be your answer. Now, question number 4. Express as a percentage. So 3 upon 4 into 100. So this will be 75%. Okay, next question. Next part. 7 upon 8 into 100. So this will be, on solving, 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 2s are 4, 25. Okay, so 7 into 25 upon 2. So on solving, children, you will get 87 1 upon 2%. You can solve how? Multiply 25 into 7 and convert into a mixed fraction. Simply multiplying 25 into 7 will be 7 5s are 35, 5, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 165. So this will be 165 upon 2 and 165 on dividing by 2. 2 8s are 16. You are left with 5, 2 2s are 4. So you will get this answer, 87.5%. So this was till question number 4, children. And now moving on to question 5. You have convert the following decimals into percentages. Now you want to convert these decimals into percentage. So 0.58 into 100. So this will be 58%. 0.6 into 100. So this will be 60%. 2.05 into 100. This will be 205%, and similarly the rest of the questions will be done. Now question number 6. Find the value of 25% of 720. 25% of 720. Simple. 25 upon 100 into 720. So on solving, you will get, okay, you will get, children, 36 into 5 will be equal to 180. So 25% of 720, what will you do? 25 divided by 100 multiplied with the given number. So percentage upon 100 into multiplied by the given number. Or you have 125% of 80. Simple. 125 upon 100 into 80. So this will be 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 2 4s are. So this will be 100%. Not 100%. This will be 100 because we are converting percentage into the number. So this will be 100. There are some more examples that questions that you do is 40% of 60 rupees. So 40 upon 100 into 60. So 24%. This is 24%, not 24%, but 24 rupees. Okay. Now, question number 7, children. What percent is 6 paisa of 6 rupees? What percent is 6 paisa of 6 rupees? We had Question 7, part 1. 6 paise of 6 rupees. So simple children, you have 6 paisa divided by 600 paisa, 6 rupees in 200. So what you are doing? You are dividing the 6 paisa with 6 rupees multiplied by 100. So your on solving will be 1%. Next one you have is 7 meter 25 centimeter of 58 meter. So 7 meter 25 centimeters. So this will be 7.25. This will be 7.25 upon 58 into 100. So these two cancelled. On solving, your answer will come out to be 12.5%. Okay. Third part, 2 1 by 2 of 10. So this will be 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 upon 2 upon 10 into 100. So 5 upon 20 into 100. So this will be your 25%. Okay. 350 gram of 1 kg. So 350 upon 1000 into 100. So this is your 35%. And the last one you have 800 meter of 5 kilometer. So 800 divided by 5000 into 100. This will be 16%, children. Question number 8. You have find a number whose 60% is 36. So 60% is 36. Okay. So what were we doing earlier? 60, let the number be x. So 60% of x. So 60 upon 100 into x equals to 36. So this will be x equals to 60. So 60 will be your number. Acha. Now next one you have is 21% of 42. So 21 upon 100 into x equals to 42. So 21 twos are this will be, and on multiplying, x will be equal to 200. 200 will be your answer, children, in this part. Okay. You have 84% is 42. So 84 upon 100 into x is equals to 42. So 42 twos is 84. So this will be x equals to 42 into 100 upon 84. So 42 twos are 250. So this will be your x will come out to be 50. Very simple, children. Just simple mathematics. Now, increase, question number 9. Increase 120 rupees by 40%. Okay. So first we will find out the 40% of 120. So 120 into 40 upon 100. This will be 48. And simple, 120 plus 48 will be your answer. 168. Okay. Another one you have is 6 kg by 8%. So 6 kg is actually 6000 grams. So 6000 into 8 upon 100. So this will be 480 grams. So 6000 plus 480. So this will be 6480 grams or 6.48 kgs. 50 meter by 150%. Okay, so 50 into 150 upon 100. Okay, so 15 fives is 75. So 50 plus 75 will be 125 meters, children. Okay, next question you have children is decrease 600 by 25%. So 600 into 25 upon 100, find its 25% first. So this will be 25 into 6 will be 6 5 is 30, 150. So 600 minus 150 will be your answer. 450 will be your answer, children. Another one you have is 300 by 30%. Find its first. 30%, 300 into 30 upon 100. So this will be your 90. So 300 minus 90 will be 210. Last question, children. Question number 11. You have find 60% of 1 liters in ml. So we know 1 liter has 1000 ml. So 60% of 1 liter will be 1000 into 60 upon 100. So this will be 600 ml, children. Okay, another one that you have, children, here is 66 upon 2 by 3% of 1 day in hours. So this will be, first you need to convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. So this will be 66 into 3. 6 3 is 18, 8, 1 in hand, 6 3 is 18, 19, 198 plus 2. This will be 200 upon 3. Okay, 203 upon 3% of 1 day. And 1 day has how many hours? 1 day has 24 hours. Okay, so 200 and this was in percentage, so into 100 into 24. So this will be cancelled. 3 8s are 8 2s are 16. So 16 hours will be your answer, children. Question number 11 part 2, 16 hours will be your answer. Okay, similarly 0.25 of 120. 0.25 of percent of 120. So 0.25 upon 100 into 120. So this will be, okay, 25 4s are 4 3s are. So 30 upon 100. So this will be 0.3 will be your answer, children. Acha. Question number 12. Take the correct option, the value of which the following fraction is more than 40%. The value of which of the following fractions is more than 40%. Okay, so children, this is very interesting. You have 1 by 4, 3 by 8, 2 by 11 and 2 by 3. So what you can do, you need to find its value, which of them has the value more than 40%. So what you can do, you want to convert them into percentage form, so multiply it by 100. So 1 upon 4 into 100, this will be 4 to the 8. Okay, this is 25%. Okay, 3 upon 8 into 100, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 0 2 to the 4, 25, 12 and a half. So this will be 36, 37.5%. Now 2 upon 11 into 100, this would be even smaller. Now 2 upon 3 into 100, so 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, so this will be 66%. So your correct answer is D here. 2 by 3 is your answer, children. So children, this is a very big video. I want you to go through it very carefully. In the next video, I'll be going on through the word problems on percentage with the examples and the exercises, and I'll be putting an end to this chapter. Thank you, class. Thank you for being so patient.